first ship of the summer. Gonna be epic, or at least all the businesses here hope it's gonna be epic. Over 1 million people gonna walk through this town this summer. We're here just hanging out. A few people I gotta visit, a little bit of gold I gotta deal with, and then bringing you along. We're kind of pulling back the curtain, so to speak, on the Alaska cruise ship market and how it relates to gold nuggets. Welcome to Ketchikan. Okay, it's time I introduce you to someone. This is Gold Nugget Sales 1.0. Is that what we're calling it? Gold Nugget Sales 1.0. This is the former owner of Gold Nugget Sales, who I bought the business from, you and your husband, like 6 years ago. Now she's kind of like a second mom to me. No offense to real mom. Real mom, you're always number one, but this is maybe number two. We hang out together a lot.
She's adopted.
Yeah, adopted. And we're up here today just hanging out together. She wanted to see this place with me. You finding any gold?
Oh, I found gold. It's laying right on the beach in Alaska.
Coffee in hand.
Coffee.
Now we can go peddle some gold.
Let's go peddle some gold.
Peddle some gold. Okay, so something that's really big up here in this kind of tourist trap, let's just call it what it is, tourist trap town of Ketchikan, is all these shops that service these cruise ship markets. Jewelry is really, really big up here, and it's kind of like, it's okay to spend a little bit more. You're on vacation, everyone buys maybe a piece of jewelry or a new watch or something. But the other thing that's really big up here and really hard for these guys to find is natural Alaskan gold nuggets. And truthfully, I used to come up here and kind of peddle these gold nuggets. It's kind of a way for me to grow the business when I needed to grow the business. But now we've backed away from that. I don't come up here except to meet with a few friends, a few storefronts, a few people that I formed a relationship with over the years. And we're gonna go give them their gold nuggets that they're gonna buy from me today. I say product because I always kind of feel like a little bit of a drug dealer when I'm carrying gold nuggets and a scale in these tiny little drug bags. I mean, that's just kind of what it feels like. The coffee helping?
Coffee is helping.
Coffee making you feel a little less jittery?
A little less jittery.
Uh-huh.
Right.
Do you want to tell the vlog why you were jittery? Too much booze last night. A little too much booze last night.
It was just 2 martinis.
No. You forgot to mention the Long Island iced tea.
Oh, yeah, that.
That's a pretty nugget.
Yeah.
Were you ready?
Wow.
Let's see where this one's from.
Okay. Chicken.
Yeah. Looks like it says 6.6.
6.6 pennyweights. And what was the cost on that one again?
These are prices from 2 years ago.
$16.50.
Yeah.
How many grams is that? I have to do the math.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I'll think about it.
I was going to say I have to get the brains of the operation
Yeah,
here.
yeah, yeah.
And I can't even count, not that
Yeah,
she's
I mean,
asking me.
20
I don't know.
pennyweights to an ounce,
I know
31.1
Nuggets
Yeah.
are worth 30% more.
in spot.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
they're rare.
Yeah, oh, I agree. Okay. Okay, it's a little hard for me to do the math in my head standing there in front of the counter. Nice lady. Nice shop, but that nugget I looked at was 6.6 pennyweights. 6.6 pennyweights. There's 20 pennyweights to a troy ounce, so that equated to about 10.23 grams, which is how I kind of calculate gold in grams. So 10.23 grams, they wanted $1,650 for that. So a little bit over $160 per gram for that Alaskan gold nugget. It's a little bit, it's about double. I mean, this is just facts, no opinion. That's about double what we sell them for online. So just so you know. But you know, that's just one shop. We should be fair and see what everyone else is selling their gold nuggets for here in Ketchikan. How you doing?
How y'all doing?
Good.
Did you get your free gift?
Yeah, some pretty nuggets. That thing's massive.
Come in and take a look. We won't force you to buy.
Right?
Just you can't leave until you do.
What's a gold nugget per gram cost?
You know what? I really, in all
Okay.
honesty, I really don't know, but Monica right here would be glad to tell you.
Hi.
Yeah, you love the nuggets?
That's kind of interesting.
Yeah, I can show you after the
Oh yeah.
So some of them has the what's inside? Are you filming it, sir?
Oh, can I not film? Okay. I was told I had to stop filming in there. They didn't want me filming their jewelry store, which is respectable. I totally get that. But that nugget it was interesting. Had a little piece of quartz in it, and I thought it was kind of cool. From Alaska, it was 16.25 grams. 16.25 grams, and they wanted 4,975. That's what I got them down to from 6,200. So needless to say that got them down to about $300 a gram on that Alaskan gold nugget. Just up here seeing what gold prices are. Okay, so we've reached Creek Street. This is kind of the old brothel district for Ketchikan. And the joke is this is where the fish and the fishermen go up creek to spawn. Let's go see if there's some gold here. How are you?
Wonderful, and you?
Good.
Welcome to the Red Light District.
Well, thank you.
Our tour is $10 a person, cash only. Takes about 15-20 minutes. We do call it a quickie because you are in the old Red Light District.
It's the quickie tour, huh? And if you can't find your husband,
He's in here hiding
He's in
underneath
here.
the bed. We'll have to pull you out by your pinky toe.
right.
I'm hearing you squeal a little bit.
maybe next time. Thanks.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful time in Ketchikan.
Bye-bye. Alaska's largest gold nugget selection. I think we hit pay dirt. Small gold nuggets. Okay, so that was the third place I stopped to price gold nuggets up here in Ketchikan, and they wanted about 1900 bucks for a 10 gram gold nugget, so about 190 bucks per gram. I'm gonna let you judge. I'm not gonna say anything. You can go on our website, see what we charge for that same price of Alaskan gold nuggets. This is just kind of having fun. I'm up here, thought I'd take you along, and I may ruffle some feathers with this video, posting it if someone up here doesn't like that I'm kind of exposing pricing difference on gold up here, but I think you should know. And this is not for the whole world. We know the whole world doesn't watch my vlogs. Only 4, 5, 6,000 views these things get over the years. So this is for you. If you've made it this far, this is for you, just so you can experience Ketchikan and know a little bit about that whole market behind the curtain, as I said earlier. Okay, I'm gonna leave it there. Appreciate you watching. Be well, be safe. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.